can't even breathe, I need to lie down. Good morning. Today is... I'm just scared. I'm just going to get straight into it. Basically, I'm going to go and climb Hardknott. And I don't know whether you know this. You know that I love climbs. Hardknott is the only climb that I've ever had to push my bike on. And I've attempted it 3 times and not been able to ride the whole thing 3 times. So I'm at the top of Hardknott Pass now. I've just cycled up it. Way better than it was last time. Didn't really walk much of it at all. Got better than I was when I did it in September. So 3rd time lucky, I think, next time. I don't know what to do. It's really nice. So that was Hardknott, and I don't know who it was that put that on the road, but thank you. Yeah, that was tough. Next time we'll ride it all next time. No. Mountains! So we're at the bottom of it. We're actually near the segment. You know that I should try and share like the highs and the lows and all that stuff, but honestly this just, it makes my stomach like sick. Thinking about it. I'm trying to think positive. I'm trying to think I'm going to get up it. I'm going to get up it. But I do feel a little bit scared. I think it's because it's not necessarily power. Obviously you need power to get up it. It's more because it's so steep. It's more like the bike handling of it, because if you sit too far back, the front wheel pops up, and if you're too far forward, the back wheel skips a bit and skids, and that's what's happened the 3 times that I've come up, and it's just scared me. I've just like put my foot down, but I'm like, I really want to ride it all. You're seeing me like proper, what's the word, scared and nervous. I would literally rather ride a 300 or 400k ride than do this right now, I'm honest, but I want to do it. Oh my god, look at these sheep. Hi sheepy, hello. Oh man. I'm going to stop putting it off. I'm going to just head up it now and I'll see you shortly. I'm just thinking of all you on my shoulder behind me, just giving me a little cheer on, pushing me up it. Yeah, that's alright. Oh god. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, I can't believe I did it! I can't believe I've done it! 3 years this climbing's taken me to do, 3 freaking years!
Hats off for going up there!
Thank you! I need to have a lie down. I feel really emotional. I don't know, it's silly, it's just a climb, it's nothing, it's just riding your bike, but it really means a lot that I've finally done it. Finally done it. I'm not even in the lowest gear. What am I doing? I'm made up, absolutely made up. Even with dodgy knees and a dodgy arm. Right, what's next? Gotta say as well, I love this bike so much. I'm going to do like a full review on it and just talk all about the bike, but honestly, hill climbs, adventure, bike packing, I've used this bike for everything. I just love it, it's so light, it just feels like, it sounds really daft, but it just feels part of my body when I'm riding. I just absolutely freaking love this bike so much.
That must be the crash point, really.
No, we just came off it as well. A motorcyclist, a sheep ran out. Now the motorbike can't get going again because it's so steep. And then because he stopped, the cyclist tried to go around but then ended up falling in the grass. Bloody hell. I can't even tell you how steep this is. Look at it. This is probably one of the steepest corners. It is ridiculous.
Oh.
Go on, lad.
Cheers.
So this is the bit I'm having to redo the steepest section of it. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have to do it again. Just to get the thumbnail, I need to get a couple of good pictures, so I can do it once, I could do it again. That's it, yeah, then just go sideways. Are you on a Ribble? Yes! He said I've got to uphold the good Ribble name. I'm like, yes, Ribble, come on. Come on, you can do it. See, once you stop on this, it's really hard to get going again. That's it, you've got it. You've got it, 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 you've got it!
I fucking hate cycling. Don't think we'd have been able to do that without a bit of encouragement.
You can do it, you can do it! That's it, at the outside, that's it, he'll come round, he'll let you go. Well done, buddy! Yay! Well, we should be clapping you as well, like it's a pretty steep one to get down.
Mum, Dad and Grandma.
If there's a climb that you're scared of or a climb that you don't feel like you're good at, just go and do it. As scary as it is, I just feel so happy now I've done it. So yeah, just casually leaning on my saddle because it's so steep. Right, see you next video. There's a cyclist down there saying to him, yeah mate, it's 30% round that corner. And he's saying, I think I'm going to turn it round, yeah. And so we're just taking a couple of photographs and then we turned around and I was like, Richard was like, the van is still there. He was just trying to reverse all the way down. He's managed to do a 3-point turn. I don't even know how. The camper van got away.